Huge headlines. What about this IPO with Alibaba? The Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba looms to become the fourth largest technology company in the world once it launches its initial public offering in New York this September. It will be behind Apple, Google, and Microsoft. So what are we looking at? The bourses are abuzz amid the plans of Alibaba to sell its shares to the public and raise about $20 billion, probably the largest IPO in the stock market history. In 2013, the three sites that belong to the Alibaba Group earned more than $240 billion revenue, larger than the revenue of any American e-commerce giant such as Amazon or eBay combined. It is also the fastest growing globally, from an estimated valuation of $295 billion in 2013 to a projected $713 billion in 2017. Prior to this IPO, Alibaba went on buying spree by investing $120 million in Kabam, a mobile game developer. Kabam will use the Alibaba money to finance its growth, while Alibaba will become the exclusive distributor of Kabam's Lord of the Rings game in China. Let's take a look at this investment. The investment also entitles Alibaba to sit in the Kabam's board of directors while boosting the game developers' valuation up to about $1 billion. In San Francisco, where Kabam is based, they plan to publish 10 games in China in the next 3 years. We all know that Kabam accepted Alibaba's investment so that they can expand its presence in Asia, noting that the e-commerce giant has the resources to be one of the most significant players in mobile games. To this, the numbers involving Alibaba, whether its investments in the US companies or the vast size of its forthcoming IPO under the ticker BABA, will surely attract a lot of interest among potential investors. However, the stock market experts have cautioned buyers of IPO shares in the general, so there is always a risk that comes with such type of investment due to the actual or to the lack of historical data to evaluate the IPO launcher. In such cases, we, the experts, encourage that retail investors to acquire investor education so that they could make informed decisions when planning to purchase stocks. Whether during the IPOs or buying from the shareholders or other shareholders, these informed decisions could also apply to instances where to sell one's shares. Good luck, BABA.